Up next, changes to HobbyLink International. Hey everybody, this is Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com and welcome to an update video for both channels, SciFiantasy and Model Builder International. If you missed the live show tonight, I made an announcement about what's going to be happening with the YouTube channels. Model Builder International is no longer going to have videos posted up on there. We're going to leave the videos that are there, but we're going to combine Model Builder International and SciFiantasy, both of those YouTube channels, into one, just like we did with our websites and brought SciFiantasy and Model Builder International back underneath the HobbyLink International masthead. So you can find all of that at HobbyLinkInternational.com. So now you're going to see Paul and myself on this channel, which has been renamed HobbyLink International, and you'll see sci-fi, horror, military, everything that both of us do, except it's all combined onto one channel. So if you're watching this on Model Builder International and you're not subscribed to the HobbyLink International channel, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Just click that link. It's going to bring you over there. And we hope you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon too. This way you're notified of all of Paul's videos that you watched over there. It's nothing new. It's just not a new channel, the old channel, and we're just trying to combine it and make it easier on Paul and myself to have everything in one spot. If you do have any questions or comments about it, please put it in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Or if you don't want to put it there, if you just want to talk to me, you can email me at hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. So nothing major, just a little rebranding back to our original name. We're still going to have SciFiantasy and Model Builder International just under that. And the other thing that happened tonight is we announced our new mascot for HobbyLink International, and here he is. Chippy the chinchilla, who will be with us, and you're going to see different renderings of Chippy. You may see him in a tank, a jet, a battleship. You may even get a little partner called Chippette. We don't know, but we're going to have a little fun with these guys and possibly t-shirts, hats, and stuff like that because a couple people already asked for it. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys come over to the community. We got a lot of people coming over and creating groups where they had communities on Facebook or Twitter or MeWe or something like that. They brought their communities over to our community and bringing their friends with them. So that's pretty much it for the night. Like I said, if you have any questions or comments, just throw them in the comment section below or email me and I will get back to you as quick as I can. I hope everybody has a great night. Take care and bye-bye.